cooking? We were doing so well. What do you want? Why are there dirty dishes in the kitchen? I don't know, I wasn't in the— Well, you need to go clean them right now. But I didn't cause that mess in the kitchen. My little brother did. Oh, really? I'll get him now. Little Jimmy? Yes, Mother? Did you cause that mess in the kitchen? Yeah, sorry, Mom. You see? Well, that's okay. Simon will clean it up. See now, you— What? Oh, I'm sorry. Is there a problem? Yeah, actually. Why do I have to clean it up? Simon, sometimes you have to pick up the slack for other people. You can't make me do that. This is favoritism. Simon, don't be ridiculous. I don't have a favorite child. Oh, yeah? When Jimmy got a C on his test the other day, you said good job. Okay, so— But when I got an A- on mine the other day, you called me a failure. I won't tolerate these possibly true accusations. I'm getting your father. Honey, I've run out of one-liners. What do you want? Simon thinks I like Jimmy more than him. Yeah, because you do. Huh? For Christmas, you gave Simon a singular sock, but for Jimmy, you got him a new iPhone. He needs it! He's 9! For